We're
doing shirt on yet. You're soaking wet. No, go get your towel.
welcome to Blaze's cooking show. Cooking with Blaze.
First, you have the bread laid out. Then, get the Nutella. Nutella. By the way, welcome to Fallout TV. This is Fallout TV. Hi. Hello, all my subscribers. Have a good time watching this.
I want to hear subscribers.
I have 3.
And I can watch this live.
You could, but don't.
I am. Right now.
Then you gotta put on some Nutella. With any kind of knife, like
that.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You got Nutella on your phone.
I know.
Nutella.
No, this is my Nutella. Why you
No,
eating
it's
it?
not. Everyone can have it.
Not my Nutella. No, you know how good I love Nutella.
I know, Blaze.
Dang. And don't put your fingers in it.
I didn't. I did this at the very top. Now I didn't even do this.
And
Cooking with Blaze.
And here's-
It's awesome. Watch it and subscribe.
here's my retarded dog. Sitting in my garage with my Lamborghini with my dry zucchini.
Yeah, right. He ain't old enough to drive a car?
Do you know what a Lamborghini is?
Nope.
Well, it's-
Don't care. I guess, according to you, it's dried zucchini.
What did you make him, Bubba?
The Blaze is special. You're in a YouTube video, by the way.
Say hi, Blaze's cooking show.
Hi, this is Blaze's cooking show. Why is Blaze making a cooking show?
I don't know.
Blaze, you ain't allowed to be cooking show.
Yeah, he is. He's putting Nutella on bread.
I'm cooking up some dessert tonight.
And what are you eating?
Hot chips.
They're her favorite.
Yes, it is her favorite.
I have a Blaze special.
Naya,
Yeah?
the hot chip.
Yeah, take this one. It's not fully done, but take it.
Really?
Yeah, it'll
It
be
looks
okay.
like me and Bubby. Get your fingers on my food.
Alright, I guess we'll have to make a new one. And guess what? You know what? Who wants to make a prank video on McKenna? Who wants to make a prank
He's
video?
using those too.
Yeah, I'm gonna be
Okay.
using.
One of you girls hold his camera.
Okay.
Be his cameraman.
He's a girl. That's the one. Ow, don't bite my finger.
I think you can only hear part of the food. I think Amy's only here for the food. What do you think?
You're not recording. You record Blaze.
Not me. Come over here. You're messing with the video. Do I have to hold this by doing it with one hand?
Yeah.
You want me to hold it?
You're not very
Just
good
a minute.
camera.
Let me open this.
Me?
Alright, give me the phone.
No.
Alright, thank you.
Boom back, play back.
Alright. Watch out, beeps. He's eating off of a knife.
Yeah.
Let me dip these in.
And it's gonna taste good, I promise.
You're going to take a shower, bud.
Sorry, I'm making my Blaze special. It's
Okay,
gonna...
but you gotta go take a shower.
I know. Stop dipping it. It's called the Blaze special.
I can't have those.
With Blaze.
That's why it's called the Blaze special.
What's today? Every Tuesday night. And I'm your cameraman.
Yeah, every Tuesday night we'll have this cooking show.
Yeah.
And he
Yep.
always cooks something different.
Yeah. It'll probably all be with Nutella. Can I do a cooking show on your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Me too.
Less parts.
I'll do it. Wait.
Maybe.
Wait, I have to wait till you're out of the shower. But I'm going after you get out of the shower. So you better hurry up in that shower.
After you take the shower, it's bedtime, guys. You gotta get up early.
But can I go and play your game?
Not when I'm gone. That is the
No,
Blaze
then
special,
after you
everybody.
take a shower, I can't
Yes,
do it.
after a shower you can.
Bye, guys.
Wait.